A very good morning everyone. Dear students, today in this video we are going to discuss about third type of future tense. We have already learned simple future or future indefinite, future continuous, and this is future perfect. As the name itself suggests, future perfect. What is the meaning of future? Future means भविष्य में. और आपने अभी तक प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट और पास्ट परफेक्ट को भी स्टडी किया है. तो परफेक्ट टेंसेस क्या बताते हैं? काम का खत्म हो जाना. और फ्यूचर मीन्स भविष्य. तो आइए देखते हैं फ्यूचर परफेक्ट में क्या होगा फिर. Where do we use future perfect tense? To describe a completed future action before a future time. So in this video we will learn what do we mean by future perfect tense, where do we use future perfect tense, and what is the structure form of sentences. So in future perfect tense we describe a completed future action before a future time. जब हम उन एक्शंस की बात करते हैं जो कंप्लीट होंगे किसी भी समय फ्यूचर में, क्योंकि फ्यूचर परफेक्ट क्या बताएगा? फ्यूचर का मतलब भविष्य और परफेक्ट मीन्स काम का खत्म होना. राम जा चुका होगा. राम विल हैव गॉन. सो दिस सेंटेंस इंडिकेट्स कि फ्यूचर में राम जा चुका होगा. बात कर रहे हैं फ्यूचर की, विल लगा है क्योंकि हैव गॉन जा चुका होगा. फ्यूचर में काम कंप्लीट हो चुका होगा. वह सो गई होगी. शी विल हैव स्लेप्ट. जब तक पापा आएंगे वह सो गई होगी. शी विल हैव स्लेप्ट. अगेन द सेंटेंस इंडिकेट्स कि एक्शन कंप्लीट हो गया होगा फ्यूचर में. हम निकल चुके होंगे. वी विल हैव लेफ्ट. सो व्हाट इज द सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर? विल plus have plus past participle. What is past participle? Third form of the verb. In simple future, you know very well that we use will, shall. I will complete my work. I'll go to the market. But you know, in perfect tenses, we always use has, have with the third form of the verb. But with will, we always use have. So what is the sentence structure of future perfect? Will have plus third form of the verb. Always remember, without have, future perfect tense is not completed. Will plus have plus past participle. What is past participle? Third form of the verb. Used when an action will be completed before a future time. By the time I am 35 years old, I will have bought a house. जब तक मैं 35 years का होऊंगा, मैंने नया घर खरीद लिया होगा. See some more example. I shall have eaten the food. मैंने खाना खा लिया होगा. She will have played cricket. Will, have, and the third form of the verb play, played. उसने क्रिकेट खेल लिया होगा. This sentence is also indicating the completion of action in future. It has always something to do with future, and perfect shows completion, right? They will have spoken to me. We shall have seen the movie. हमने मूवी देख ली होगी. He will have left the city. उसने शहर छोड़ दिया होगा. So there is a deadline. We are talking about future. Future में ये काम हो चुका होगा. But it indicates the completion of action in future. This thing I am repeating again and again. Structure of sentences: will have or shall have with the third form of the verb. So that's all for today. Bye-bye. Listen to this video for the better understanding. These days we are doing exercise also of future perfect tense. Bye-bye. Take care.